Hello and welcome to Operation Crypto and welcome to a new video. Today we're going to do some price analysis on Stellar Lumens, which is ticker XLM. We'll have a look at some potential areas that you could invest, and then we'll have a look at some targets to take profit. So first up, please make sure you do smash that like button, that you are subscribed to my channel, and let's crack on. So let's begin today on CoinMarketCap and run over some of the key stats. First, if you just take a quick look at the entire crypto market cap, has dropped a little bit, not too much, but $100 billion it's dropped. It was $1.8 trillion the other day. We dropped just below 1.7 trillion now, but I honestly believe that over the course of this bull cycle that we are in now, we should be sitting around $5 to $8 trillion by the time the next bear market comes. So things are looking good, steady progress at the minute. But let's have a look at XLM. We are currently ranked number 13. We have a coin price today of 3.9 cents, just tinkering below 40 cents there. We are 3% up on today's trading. If you look at the maximum supply, we have 50 billion. And the total in circulation is 22.6 million, bringing the market cap today to $8.8 billion. One key point to note here is where the volume is. You can see Binance is top dog at a minute. See the confidence has shot back up to high. It was tinkering on low confidence for a while. There was rumours of a lawsuit which he got debunked, that did. But Binance, I prefer to use an exchange. And if you are not on it already, you will find that link in the pinned comment in the description. If you use my link, you get around 10 to 20% off your trading fee, so that a little bit does help. But if you are on any other exchanges listed here, you would expect Stellar to be on your trading platform that you use. It is a widely used project. If we just look there, that will be the all-time highs from 2018, and we can see that down here on the right. We did hit, can you see above my head? Yep, we did hit 93 cents, so that's 3 years ago now. We are 58% down from our all-time highs, but we are, like I say, we are in a bull cycle, and that does mean that we will start to push up back to those levels at some stage. But now we need to have a look at some potential entry points that we could get to target. So this is Stellar versus Tether. This is a weekly time frame. Just first want to mark up them all-time highs. I've already done it. 93 cents it was. So as you can see, I've got a lot of levels in play. This is from previous TA. I can't see it's ever coming back down to his levels, but my green lines are daily, purple weekly, blue monthly. May come back down to test some of these, but as you can see, we have made some new yearly highs up at 60 cents, and we are on a bit of a retracement now. If you're looking at MACD, it is pretty much looking like it's going to turn bearish, and the RSI is pretty much overbought, so we may start to roll down and start looking at these areas. So let's drop into the daily time frame. On this, you would say that the MACD is bearish, but looking like it's going to flip bullish very soon. We are looking for a crossover on the moving averages to start pushing up, and we need a green tick up, a black tick up on my histogram there. I mean, it looks like it's coming to an end, but let's just monitor and see what goes on. So let's just have a look at this position here. What we'll do is drop right into the 4 hour a second, see what's going on here. Yeah, we'll do it on the daily. So there's not much going on a 4 hour. As you can see, we are in pretty much a consolidation area here. So let's go into a daily. And this is where I want to do most of my price analysis. I want to pretty much look at this move here to see how much of a retracement we've done first in terms of a Fibonacci. So if we put the fib on, so we'll take this as a beginning move on this weekly support level from bottom to the top. As you can see, we have done a 61% retracement. We nearly did a 78% retracement on the 23rd of Feb. We're very close to touching that and we pop back up. But if you look at a 618 level, it is holding up very, very well. We have failed to close a daily candle below that. So that is a bullish sign. If we did close a daily candle below that, you would expect to fill some orders down at these level. But it is looking like the 618 level at 37 cents is a perfect area to buy. If we do get a market rollover and BTC shits a bed and starts dropping, I don't know, to 40k or 35k, something daft, inevitably it might take it out in altcoin short term. So you could fill some orders down here. So we have some daily support at 36 cent, 35 cent, and then we have this big level down here which we did wick to at 31 cent. We also have some monthly support down there, so if you're looking for buy zones, then you could potentially fill some down at 31 cent if the market does allow, but it's looking more likely that this is the area to buy at 37 cent. The 618 level is holding up very, very nicely, so that would be where I buy at 37 cent area. We're currently at 39. If you're looking to place some orders, look at these daily supports at 36 and 35 cent to buy in. With regards to targets, let's just drag this Fibonacci across a little bit so we have some targets to the right. We really need to push up and close the daily candle above the 382 level. I think once we do push above the 382 level at 46 cent, we will then start to be on a, what we're looking for is an uptrend here. I think if we do close above 38, above 46 cent, we can really start to push on and target those yearly highs up at 60 cent. So, but a couple of buy zones down here at the monthly support and the 618 level, and then really targets we have 51 cent, 60 cent, and then if you can look at these extensions at 70 cent and 82 cent. So they are all targets to aim for. If you're looking to take profit at stages and you're buying down here, then you could expect to take profit at 60 cent, 70 cent, 82 cent. So if you're looking to accumulate, potentially set sell orders, then to buy back cheaper and just see how the market generally plays out. If you look at the MACD there, like I say, to me it is tinkering on the verge of ticking bullish very, very soon. We are on a decent retracement. 61% retracement is a good area to target for a bounce back, so I think it's looking quite bullish there. Even though the MACD is bearish, I mean RSI is mid-ground, I do believe that it is ready to push up. So let's just monitor that price. If we do push up, give me a tinkle on my Telegram group and I will jump in some further price analysis. So that is the USDT pair. I know people do trade in BTC, so let's take a quick look at this. Histogram, again, same scenario. It's looking like it wants to turn bullish. And let's just have a look at this move. It's quite a boring chart, to be honest, in the BTC range. I mean, you could call that a consolidation band since July 2019. Look at that. It's not really done much on the BTC pair. And let's have a look on weekly. Yeah, it's not done anything. So you could say we are still massively undervalued on the BTC pair. And if you put a let's put a price range on that, from these current prices up to the highs that we have on this chart, we've still got a long way to go. That is not all-time highs in BTC, but that's the highest it's been since January 18. Oh yeah, it is. Yeah, that we have got it. So that's the all-time high in BTC. So we've got pretty much 1,000% to make up on that. So we are massively undervalued. I would not even worry about putting any TA onto this, to be honest. If you're looking to buy in Satoshis, just buy at these levels, I think. I mean, if you really, really want to place an order, you could put a fib on this move. So from bottom to the top, you could look at targeting 692 Satoshis, could be a nice level. Also over 382 level, I mean, we're already below that, but if you just put this box on here, so we got 692, and you could say 786 level at 693 Satoshi. So that is two levels to aim for. I'm not even going to put any targets on that because we are massively undervalued and we are in a massive period of consolidation, which is going to break out at some stage. I mean, really, you could put a target on here. If we break above, where is it now? If we do break above this area here, that will give us ground to do some further analysis and start to look bullish. So that is a first major target up at 1955 Satoshis. So that is going to be the price analysis for today on XLM. That is both the BTC and the USDT pairings covered. The chart looks a little bit messy, but I hope you got the drift of what I was talking about there. So that will do it for today's video. If you do have any questions in regards to any projects you'd like me to cover, or any questions in general about crypto, then jump into my Telegram group, which is the Crypto Troops. It's only been going a few months and we've already hit 2,000 people, so jump in there. We've got an active crypto community and you can fire any questions at me or the other guys. So that will do it for today's video. If you are not already, please make sure that you are subscribed to this channel, that you do hit that like button, and I'll catch you next time.